water. Let us understand better about oxidation reduction reactions by doing the. In this activity, heat a china dish containing 1 gram of copper powder. On heating copper powder, a black substance is formed because oxygen is added to copper. This black substance is called as copper oxide. Here you can see the equation representing formation of copper oxide. You can see oxygen is added to copper and copper oxide is formed. If a substance gains oxygen during a reaction, it is said to be oxidized. So in this case, copper is oxidized, or we say that oxidation of copper has taken place because oxygen has been added to copper. If hydrogen gas is passed over copper oxide, the black color of this copper oxide turns brown as the reverse reaction takes place and copper is obtained. Here you can see the chemical equation showing this reaction. When hydrogen gas is passed over copper oxide, it gives copper, which is brown in color, and water. Now, if a substance loses oxygen during a reaction, it is said to be reduced. So here reduction of copper has taken place because oxygen has been lost from copper oxide. Hence we say copper is reduced. In the above reaction, you can see the copper oxide is losing oxygen and is being reduced. The hydrogen is gaining oxygen and is being oxidized. So that's why such reactions are known as redox reactions, where both oxidation and reduction takes place. Some other examples of redox reactions are when zinc oxide reacts with carbon, it gives zinc and carbon monoxide. In this reaction, carbon is oxidized to carbon monoxide because oxygen is added to carbon, and zinc oxide is reduced to zinc because oxygen is removed from zinc in the product side. So because there is addition of oxygen to carbon and removal of oxygen from zinc oxide, such a reaction is called as redox reaction. In this example, you can see manganese oxide reacts with hydrochloric acid to give manganese chloride plus water plus chlorine. Here HCl is oxidized to chlorine, whereas MnO2 is reduced to MnCl2. That is, manganese oxide gets reduced to manganese chloride. When a substance gains oxygen or loses hydrogen during a reaction, it is said to be oxidized. If a substance loses oxygen or gains hydrogen during a reaction, it is said to be reduced.